guys, so we're here at Animal Kingdom and we're in Pandora World and it's awesome. It looks so realistic. And I think we're about to go do the safari, so I'll show you guys all the animals. Hey guys, so we're on the safari and I'll turn the camera around so that my dad can videotape that side and show you guys all the animals.
There's only about 5,000 black rhinos left out in the wild. They're poached for their horns. Their horns are made of a protein like your fingernails and your hair. Nile hippopotamus stay underwater most of the day, and they don't swim. They actually walk along the bottom of the river.
Crocodile!
They can grow up to 20 feet in length. They're on average about 500 pounds. They open their jaws sunburnt, where our tongues are pink. That isn't to me because they can eat up to 300 pounds. Of the translation of the word bite. Bite means wide. They have a wide upper jaw, unlike the black rhino, which has a pointy upper jaw. Please have a seat for me. Thank you. 6 times greater than ours, because they hunt at night. The females.
Alright guys, so we're done with the safari and I got some great video from there. And now we're actually about to go to the Lion King show, which I'll video that. It's super cool. In the background. I'm pretty scared because I'm still thinking about maybe riding it because we have a fast pass for it, but I would have to go by myself because my dad's neck hurts and my mom will never ride it ever again. So I'm just still kind of thinking, but if I do, that'll be pretty exciting.
There you go. Did you hear it, Landon? Look, you can watch it.
So we'll decide.
Like Nemo. Nemo? We can name one Nemo, but I'd like most of them to be Marlin Jr. What was that? Get inside, Coral! No, Coral, don't go out there! Leave it alone! Coral! No! Coral! Coral! They're there. Daddy's got you. I promise I will never let anything happen to you. Nemo.
Oh, time for school!
I'm very excited. It's your first day of school, Nemo. We're ready to learn, to get some knowledge. Now what's the one thing we remember before we head out from here?
The ocean's not safe, so we have to check if the coast is clear.
Right. We go out, then back in. And then we go out, and then back in. And one more time, out, and then back in. And sometimes, if you want to do it 4 times.
Come on!
Big blue world. You'll be seeing some tasty dish.
You're doing really well for a first-timer. Yeah, I remember I was a mess when my kid first went to the drop-off.
Well, what are you gonna do? Gotta let him go sometime. The drop-off!
What's that? Oh, Sandy Plankton said it's called a butt. That's a pretty big butt. Look at us, we're gonna touch touch the boat. Come on, Nemo. How far can you come? My dad says it isn't safe, but it's...
Nemo! No! You can't be anywhere near here.
How is it
You're
going?
not ready. That's right. We'll try school again next year.
Dad!
No, you can't swim well.
I can't.
No, you can't. Come on. You think that you can do these things, but you are wrong.
I hate you.
Hey, Mom! Hey, what are you doing? You get back here! You are in big trouble, young man. Do you hear me? Big, big!
Sorry, sir.
He's got my son. He's got Nemo. Have you seen a boat?
A boat. I've seen a boat. Follow me. Do you mind? I'm trying to swim here.
You're trying to find Nemo. You were showing me which way the boat went.
A boat. I've seen a boat. Follow me. Do I know you?
Yes, you were showing me which way the boat went.
A boat.
No, we already did this.
We did? Oh dear. I guess I should explain. I got this problem with my brain. Things get really scrambled in my head. I have no short-term memory. I forget things almost instantly. I'm not even sure what I just said. May I help you? Well, hi!
I'm Spruce.
Well, I'm Dory, and this is...
I don't need to know. I'm nobody, really. I'm just...
I'd like to invite you morsels to a little party I'm having.
Hey, look, balloons!
Mind your distance, though. You wouldn't want one of them to pop. Tom! It's about time, mate. I'm starving.
What'd you bring for us, mate?
And a pledge. Fish are friends. Fish are friends.
Fish are friends.
Not
Oh no, we scared him!
I don't know why we can't just say hello.
I wanna go home, Daddy!
Honey, your dad's probably back at the pet store.
Pet store?
Yeah, you know, like I'm from Bob's Fish Mart.
Fishorama!
eBay.
I'm from the ocean.
The ocean, eh?
Hi, Nigel.
I'm from the ocean, too. Sorry if I ever took a snap at your land. So what have we got today, mates?
Root canal.
Ooh! Has he loosened the periodontal ligament? Shoo! Shoo! He's not your fish. He's going to my darling.
Don't be a high-strung fellow. Kick back and keep it mellow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Join the flow. Oh, we are sea monkeys up there.
Alright guys, so we're standing in front of the Tree of Life, and if you look really closely, it's carvings of so many animals. It's in the air conditioning, so that's good since it's burning hot outside. But we'll just go in on the ride and enjoy it. Alright, so we're down like under the Tree of Life, and there's still carvings of animals around us. And here's like the little tunnel you get to go in for the show, The Bug's Life. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell down below so you get notified every single time I post a video, so you don't miss it. So I'm going to vlog tomorrow as the last day, and I definitely know it's going to be a relaxing day because we've been going on the all 4 park days. So just to give you guys a warning, it may not be like busy like it has been in the past, but I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next vlog. Bye.